Hi, it's Bobby with Office Tracker. Today we're going to go over 3 ways to spring ahead with Office Tracker. By taking the time to utilize these tips now, you will be ahead of the game in the months to come. The first way you can spring ahead with Office Tracker is by scheduling important deadlines into the next few months and setting reminders for them. The reminders can be set to be sent out in an email or as a text message. Let's create an event with a deadline that is 2 months out and set a reminder for it. Click on New Event, type the name of the event, select the date, add the names to the event, click Reminder. I'm going to set this event to remind me 5 days prior and include the names for the reminder and say OK. Take the time now to do this for all upcoming deadlines and never miss a deadline again. The second way you can spring ahead with Office Tracker is by getting a grip on resource time use with easy detailed reports. For instance, we will run a detailed report showing how much time a particular room is used. Click on the Find icon. Select the name of the room that you would like to run the report for. Set the date range that you would like to run the report for. I'm going to set it for this week. You can customize the results that you would like to see on your report. I do not need to see all of these other little things, so I'm going to remove them. Say OK. Once you have all of your settings the way that you would like, click Find. Office Tracker will create this detailed report for all of the appointments that are booked for that resource during the time frame selected. It will also show you the percentage utilized for that name. If you would like to learn more about this feature, please see our Office Tracker YouTube channel. There is a detailed video on using this feature. The third way you can spring ahead with Office Tracker is by scheduling reoccurring event time blocks that can be used as an event template. This would be useful if you have a specific time block that you want to reserve on a regular basis and then schedule each block individually at a later date. For example, let's say I would like to reserve every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 1 o'clock in conference room number 4 for closings. Go to the conference room number 4, click on the open time slot, type the event description, adjust the start time and end times. I'm going to make it last for 2-hour blocks. Click Reoccurring. Change it to weekly. I want it to reoccur every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Say OK. This will add this appointment to the schedule every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday from that point forward. If we go click on the week view, we will see that it has been applied on the calendar. Here it is here on Wednesday and on Friday. If we go to the next week, it will be Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Now let's look at how to edit one of the reserved time blocks when you're ready to schedule the appointment. Find one of the available time slots. I'm going to go to this Friday, March 15th. There is my reserved time block. I'm going to click on that time block. It asks if you would like to edit the reoccurring event, if you would like to edit all of them or just one. I'm going to say one, so it'll only make changes to this specific appointment. From here, I can make the changes to the event to customize it to that customer. I can change the label and add the customer name. Link them to the event and say OK. You will see that it changed that appointment from being a reserved time block to being an actual booked appointment. That about covers it for today. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get notified when we upload a new video tutorial. These tutorials are designed to help you get the most out of your Office Tracker software. Make sure to follow us on Facebook for more handy tips and tricks. Happy scheduling!